the rocket launched. Oh, haven't you gone to space? Well, I've gone many times and crashed by a meteor and hurting my leg. But now it's fine, friends. Well, the rocket is speeding up. Whoa, friends, do you see that? It just disappeared. Well, not that the big problem because he's flying. Well, hey, haven't gone to space, but you even don't know how does a rocket fly. Well, how does a rocket fly? That video is the link in description below. Oh no, the rocket is speeding up. I need to got it. Oh wow, friends. Well, I'm inside the rocket now. Oh no, you don't know how does a rocket reach its destination? Well, I'm gonna tell you. Well, let's hop into a journey of a large vehicle that can fly into sky faster than an airplane. Wow, that was quick. Well, the first problem is it can't go without any fuel. A rocket needs to push upwards. Well, do you know how does a fuel is made up of? Fuel is made up of oxidizer and obviously the fuel. It mixes up, it burns, and the pressure goes put it up and more up until it doesn't reach its destination. Well, friends, do you have now you have gone into space? Oh, that's the International Space Station. Hey, I can see some astronauts moving around and playing. Do you know what is? Yeah, no. All the main thing is Earth's core's gravity. Well, do you know why we only step on the ground? Even if we jump, we come back. It's all because of gravity. Gravity is the main thing. Well, do you see? If you are on the moon, Mars, Mercury or any other planet, well, except Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they all are gas and ice giants. They even don't have any solid surface. Well, if you throw a ball, it will obviously not burn up. Let's say it's a magical ball and let the pass through a more heat. You need to wait other side. There's a catcher waiting because it will pass through. Well, if it's reaching the light speed, then it can hit stomach. Well, do you see, friends? This rocket is looking nice. Well, let's fly. Woohoo! It's flying. Why are we falling down? Oh no. Yeah, the main problem is the fuel is, well, you don't know. We cannot go up with only one thruster. Well, do you know one thing about a rocket? Well, a rocket obviously needs two solid rocket boosters. We can obviously, in short, we can call it SRBs. Full form, solid rocket boosters. They contain their own fuel. Well, but when it's all about fuel, well, when the both of the fuel is separated, they can go out. When a solid rocket boosters one fuel is over, until that the largest tank is half done. Well, hey, do you see all the blast together? But when those two solid rocket boosters are separated, do you see the rocket is still pushing up with the large external tank? Well, that's the main problem is when these SRBs left over, the tanks has half of his fuel left and half fuel is over, so he can continue his journey. Wow, the moon is looking nice. Let's go there. Set a plan to the moon. Well, oh no, the fuel is out. Woohoo! The orange external tank has been separated. Well, do you know a satellite Chandrayaan-1 has found water vapors on moon? Well, that's a nice cool one. Hey, isn't it, friends? Well, let's go. I'm pushing so much down, even through the zero gravity. Well, that's the main problem because of the rocket is pushing up, and the more and more pressure is coming onto the cap, and some of the pressure is through the rocket, and so we can pushing slow the speed down. It's nice. Well, okay. So now the main part is separated. Now the fairingly is separated. Hey friends, do you know what is fairingly? Well friends, do you see that cover cap on top of rockets? Well, that's called fairingly. Hey friends, have you seen making them going a half and apart? That's because of we can separate fairingly two words, because the downer part is also in there. If we launch it there, the rocket speed will come and the fairingly will connect together. That's why we separate apart. Bye bye rocket, see you soon. Oh friends, now it's the main part. Do you know what is this? Yes, I told you before. This is the Chandrayaan-1. Well friends, do you know the solar panels what do? No. If solar panels can make fuel, then a rocket can reach out of the universe. Well friends, solar panels generate energy. Energy is like a power to it. If satellite is work in solar energy, then obviously it can go out of the system. Well friends, do you know an interesting thing? Oh, wait, I've forgotten something about rocket. Oh, I know what I've forgotten. It's trivia time. Well, friends, a rocket stage is obviously all about a rocket. Oh wow, friends, the light has gone. Yes, friends, that a big bang and scared me, and I was looking around. That was because we are going further and further away from sun, where solar panels cannot generate more electricity. That's why there's a power cut in satellite. Yes, obviously, we can communicate. It's question time. Well, friends, we have learned how does a rocket journey start. But can you? Today's question is, well, what does a source of liquid let the rocket go into space? My journey is finished now. It was a nice trip. But I need to go home. That's my favorite channel is awning. It's Junior Space Scientist. Friends, yes, it's me. Junior Space Scientist Jaiditya is a channel of mine. Hey friends, well, do you like my videos? Click on the subscribe button and ring the information bell. Never mind.